In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an intake process with forms in ClickUp. To get started, open the destination list where you want incoming requests to land. This is important because every form submission will create a task in that specific location. Once you're inside the correct list, click the plus sign for View and choose Form. This creates a new form view so you can start building a structured intake process directly inside ClickUp. After that, choose the project intake template. Using a template is a great way to save time because it gives you a solid starting point instead of building everything from scratch. It also helps make sure your form already follows a practical request collection format. Go to the build section and customize the form. This is where you'll edit the title, description, and intake questions. Make the title clear so people instantly understand what the form is for. In the description, briefly explain when someone should use the form and what kind of information they should provide. Then review the intake questions and adjust them so they match your workflow. Once the basic structure is in place, add the information you need and mark essential questions as required. This is one of the most important parts of the process because required fields help reduce incomplete submissions. If your team needs certain details before reviewing a request, this is where you make sure those details must be included. Now click Settings at the top. In this area, you'll configure what happens after someone submits the form. Under Assign Tasks to, choose the person who should review incoming requests. This helps make sure submissions are routed to the right owner immediately, which can improve response time and accountability. If needed, select a task template under the option to apply a template upon submission. This is useful when every request should follow the same internal structure, such as predefined subtasks, due dates, or task details. It helps keep your intake process consistent from the beginning. Then configure the submission settings. You can change the submit button label to something more specific and enable any submission options you need. Small adjustments here can make the form feel more polished and aligned with your process. Before sharing the form, click Preview and submit a test response. This lets you experience the form exactly as another person would, and confirm that the questions, required fields, assignment settings, and submission behavior all work as expected. Finally, click Copy and share the public form link with anyone who needs access. Once that's done, your intake process is ready to collect requests in a clean, organized, and trackable way. Thanks for watching.